Alright guys, sorry for the delay here. This is the video for Tim's framed Hank Aaron 16 by 20. We'll check the time here is January 13th at 9:08 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we've got January 13th at 9:08 p.m. Alright, now this is going to take a minute. I think there's like 300 people in this one. There we go. All right, there is. Oops, I want that. Okay, there's 300 entries. There's everybody. You can see the list is right. January 13th at 9:08 p.m. We're gonna roll 2 dice. Has to be 5 or higher. There's 5. All right, here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. And it is Jeremy in spot 276 is the winner. So, Jeremy, please contact Tim to collect your Hank Aaron. There's our verification code, our timestamp. Once again, January 13th at 9:09 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.